Our family car recently got upgraded. While we were at the dealership, I couldn't help but notice one car that stuck out to me. The car that I'm talking about is the Mercedes-Benz AMG GT53. It kind of comes out unnaturally for me because my background for European luxury cars is mainly BMW. And with my history of owning about 15 of them, it's kind of strange or unexpected that only now I just noticed this particular vehicle. For many decades now, there's always been that rivalry between Mercedes-Benz and BMW. And I've always leaned towards BMW and kind of pushed out the idea of owning a Mercedes-Benz one day. But that particular night when we were at the dealership, it really caught my eye with its wide stance, the wide wheels, and also the interior was impeccable. I'll admit, what really attracted me to the car was when I actually got inside it. And right when I opened up the door, I noticed the orange leather interior as well as the carbon fiber accents. And when I got into the car, it felt like a next level luxury car with a little bit of the race car feel. Before getting too carried away with it, I did want to know how many seater the vehicle was. So when I turned around, I was kind of bummed out to see that there's only 2 passengers in the back. So in other words, it's a 4-seater car. And with my family, there's 5 of us. After that experience at the dealership, I started actually going online and looking at some of the AMG line of cars for Mercedes-Benz, and quite a few intrigued me. It's hard for me to move past my M5 or my 911. However, my garage only fits 2 cars, and I don't want to have a 3rd car that is parked outside, so it leaves me with a little problem. There were a few cars that we test drove, but in the end, it was a clear-cut winner. We ended up with the Subaru Forester. The first order of business was to get ready for the summer, so we went to get the car tinted. On the last episode, I spoke about covering an event for today's vlog. It's down the street and I've covered it several times before, but I heard for this event, they're going to be bringing out quite a few rare cars. Now, I won't be taking out my M5 or my 911 to this event, so I'm just going to go there as a spectator. Just arrived at the event. A few cars are coming in. I'm trying to get as much footage of the cars rolling in. Let's check it out. Got more cars coming through. It's getting a little bit more louder here. I did notice that one of my friends, he's parked a little further back, actually this way. So let's go check him out.
I thought about that.
This event definitely didn't disappoint. We got the GT3 RS, that was the black one that was back there. And then behind me, there's some Lambos back there and some GTRs as well. Let's go ahead and cover some more of the event. I'm here at the Evo Auto Works booth. They're even serving free donuts, so breakfast on them today. good event this month, and I'm glad I was able to make the trip out. I met with one of my friends that brought a couple of his cars out there, which was the red Aventador and the silver Nismo GTR. As far as my favorite car, I keep coming back to the GT3 RS. I've seen it before on several events, but today I took the time to actually look around the entire car. And it's definitely a car that I appreciate more. It's just the price tag is way over my budget. On the next episode, I'll be talking about a few of the tools that came in the mail. I feel like it's really going to benefit me as I work on my own cars here at home. So stay tuned for that. So that's going to do it for this episode. Thanks for joining, and we'll see you on the next one.